Hi, math classes. I'm here to give you your weekly overview of the directions of what's expected for you next week, April 20th through the 24th. Now, up until this point, your math assignments have been something that we have already learned in math class. You've gotten to choose a few activities that you wanted to do, and then you just had to tell me which activities you did. Starting Monday until the end of the school year, it will be required, and it's all going to be new learning. So these won't be things that we've learned together in the classroom. So you'll be taking that learning journey at home. Now remember, I'm always only an email away, so you can always let me know if you have any questions, but I think you'll be all right. So on the distance learning website, this is where you will find your overview. This is just a checklist of what you need to do each day for math class. There's nothing that you need to click on here or turn in on here. This is just for you to see a visual of the week. The most important thing for you to do is this yellow part. You must visit your Math Google Classroom to access the slideshow for the activities. So you will open your Google Classroom. Now I have Rockwell Math open, but Rockwell Young Math looks exactly the same. From now until the end of the year, please use the classwork tab. Things get lost here in the stream and they're not in any particular order. The classwork tab, I have everything organized for you. So you can't see this yet. This part will go live Monday at 8:30 a.m. That's when you can start working. So you can see it's scheduled right there to go live. So you will see this heading, Distance Learning Week 4. This week we'll be learning about mixed numbers. We talked about those a little bit in class, but now you're really going to explore all the cool things that you can do with mixed numbers. So when you open this assignment, there will be two things here, a Google Slides and a Google Form. Please open the Google Slides first. If you do the form, it says end of the week checkout. If you do the form first, you haven't learned the information, so that wouldn't really make sense to open that first. So open the Google Slides, and then you'll put your name on that first slide, and it tells you that we will be learning about mixed numbers and improper fractions. Now, there is a slide for each day of the week here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You only have to complete one day at a time. Now, math is only supposed to take 30 minutes, and everything is broken down for how long it should take you. So what that means, the problem of the day here, that's where you're going to start. You'll go right in order. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. No more than 5 minutes. If this is taking you longer than 5 minutes, that's all right. Okay, you can stop at 5 minutes. I went through and I double checked the questions that are on here, and I really don't think that they'll take you longer than 5 minutes. But if they do or you're struggling, feel free to just let me know, okay, that this should take you no more than 5 minutes. So you'll answer this question, you'll read it, you'll answer it on a separate piece of paper that you have in front of you. The only thing I need in this box is your answer. So you'll double click in that box and you'll write the answer. Now remember, when you're writing fractions on the computer, if I wanted to write the fraction 3/4, I would type my numerator, then the slash, that's down by the shift on the right hand side, and then the denominator. So they won't be stacked on the computer, and that's okay. But this problem of the day doesn't even deal with fractions, but a lot of your other answers will. So problem of the day first, you can either watch this video or do the teaching worksheet. You do not have to do both. I know last week some people were confused that they had to do both. Just choose one. If you'd rather just learn from a video, that might be a little bit easy for you. If you'd rather see a visual, there's the teaching worksheet. You do not have to do both. Once you watch the video, this is going to teach you about what is a mixed number. So watch that. Then it says highlight what you did for fact practice. So you will only spend 5 minutes practicing your multiplication facts. You can do that with Freckle, with flashcards that you might make or have at home, with Multiplication War, Extra Math, or Cool Math. Now, if you're using Cool Math, they are linked here at the bottom. Extra Math is linked at the bottom. Freckle is linked at the bottom. Okay, so it's not any cool math game you want. They're multiplication and division games. Now let's say you just went in and did your Freckle fact practice so you could get some coins. You will just highlight that, and then come up here where it says highlight color and choose a color to highlight it. That will let me know this student did freckle for 5 minutes, okay? Then number 4 over here is the actual lesson. This is what's going to take you about 15 minutes. After watching this video link, can you give me 2 examples of mixed numbers? So you will just type them below. And then can you give me 2 to 4 examples of improper fractions? Type them below. That's it. Done for Monday. Problem of the day, video, fact practice, answer the questions, done. All of the layouts are very, very similar. You'll have a problem of the day, a video. This one is Freckle Adaptive Practice. That means you go into the little worlds. So you might go into the penguin world or the turtle world or the camel world. And then it says, put a picture of a pig in this box after you've completed it. So you guys have done this before. You've inserted, search the web, pick a picture of a pig. Maybe you do the freckle pig and put it in the box. Then for your show what you know, you'll choose one of the following. Either do the Flipgrid to show 2 examples of mixed numbers around your house, or you can print or complete the practice sheet. I do not need to receive the practice sheet. I'm just going to trust that you complete it, okay? Again, you can highlight which one that you did. Wednesday, problem of the day, video link. Again, highlight what you did using these links at the bottom. And then for your show what you know, you'll answer the adding mixed numbers problem. And then if you have extra time, if that doesn't take you very long, you can choose a few problems from this worksheet. You don't need to print it. You can just write them on a piece of paper and solve them. Okay, again, I don't need to receive that. I'm just going to trust that you are doing the work at home. Thursday, same concept. We're just subtracting mixed numbers from this day. On Friday, this is a show what you know. Your problem of the day is going to be to write a mixed number word problem. So it can be about anything that you want. You're going to write your own problem. If you'd like to solve it, that would be great. You'll watch the funny video Friday here. Click that link. Fact practice. So choose a website, highlight what you did, and then this is where it's a little different. You will need to go back to Google Classroom and click Turn In. And this is where you'll go back and you will complete this end of the week checkout. You do not do it until everything else is done. Once you do everything here and click Submit, I will have it. You don't need to click Turn In for that. All right. That's it for the week. Math should take you no more than 30 minutes a day. If you'd like to do more fact practice, I'm not going to say no, but just know that you're only required 5 minutes of fact practice. There are some optional challenges. If you're looking for something a little bit more, you can read through these challenges. You do not have to do them though. Just know that once you turn the slideshow in, you won't have access to these anymore. So if you'd like to do them, make sure you complete them before you click that turn in button. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am happy to help in any way that I can. And just like with our weekly homework, it's separated by day, but you can do this, turn it in whenever you'd like. If you do everything on Monday, that's a lot of math, but if you do it on Monday, you can turn it in on Monday. If you have everything done by Thursday, you can turn it in. If you have everything done Wednesday, or you can wait until Friday. I am totally fine with whatever day you would like to turn it in. So once again, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck this week. I know you guys are going to do awesome.